Hello. Greetings from sunny Montana. My name is Bob O'Boyle. I'm a graduate student at the University of Montana in the Anthropology department. Today I want to talk with you briefly about Public Anthropology's Community Action website. I'm going to take you through the steps in setting up an account and then writing your letter. But before I do that, I just want to talk with you a little bit about the process itself that you're going to go through. First, you're going to set up your account. This is very simple, and I'll walk you through that in just a minute. Next, you're going to be downloading a booklet. This booklet's going to give you the background information necessary on understanding some of the ethical debates going on in the field of anthropology. Then, the following week, the first week of the action period, you're going to be given an ethical dilemma. You're going to have to take a position on this ethical dilemma, and then you're going to write a letter advocating for your position. Then you're going to submit that letter to the web. The following week, you're going to get a letter or several letters that other students have written from around North America. You're going to be looking at theirs and you're going to be critiquing theirs. Then, once that's done, a handful of these letters are going to be chosen as winners that are judged the best by you, by the students in this project. Once that's done, you're going to be able to sign on as an advocate for the position of those winning letters that are chosen as the best by the students, by you. And once that's done, these letters are then going to be sent to the people who are able to make a difference, make decisions in this ethical debate that's going on in anthropology. And hopefully that way you'll be able to see that anthropology is able to make a difference in the world, make change for the better. Now, getting started. I want to take you through the steps in signing up for an account. Now, setting up an account is very simple. There's an easy to follow online guide that'll take you through it. Go into the sidebar or browser where it says instructions for creating a student account. This will walk you through it. Screenshots take you step by step through the whole process. Do this as early as possible so we can help you if you run into any problems. Now, don't use AOL for your browser or email account if you can at all avoid it. Don't use Hotmail or Yahoo either. It's best you use your university account. If you insist on using another account, please make sure that you forward the mail from your student account to it during the duration of the project. Now that you've signed up and you've downloaded your background, the following week, the first week of the action period, you're going to be given an ethical dilemma that you're going to have to take some sort of position on and write a letter advocating for your position. The booklet gives you an idea about ethics in anthropology, but really it's up to you. You decide what to write about. Now, this is a really interesting writing assignment. It's different than you're going to run into in your typical class. So many of us in college classes, we write papers, we get a grade, we go home, that's the end of it. This is really the Community Action Project allows you to have a voice outside of the classroom and really reach beyond the academic realm to have a positive impact on the world. So many times when we see anthropology, like in the popular media, it's a snapshot. You see National Geographics or the Discovery Channel or even in ethnographies, but the Community Action Project is really different. Anthropology is an ongoing process. It's a dialogue, and through your participation in the Community Action Project, you really have an opportunity to have a voice in that dialogue. Writing this letter is also a good way to work on your writing skills. Now, you're going to be submitting this letter, and other students from around North America are going to be the ones reviewing it, looking at it. And so it's really a safe writing assignment. You're not writing it for the professor. You're not writing it for another student to do a peer review project. This is really unique because it's a blind review, and it's a safe way to do it. Now, also, you'll be able to look at other students' work too when you're reviewing their letters, and so it's a really great way to gauge yourself and see where am I at in this process. Now, once you have your letter written, write your letter in a word processing program, write in Microsoft Word or something like that, and then cut and paste it into the browser. There's a reddish part that you click on and submit your letter. Write it in the word processing program first, save it in that, and then cut and paste it into the box. That's really the best way to do it. If you do end up running into any problems, we have 3 steps to take that will alleviate any problem that you have, at least any problem relating to Public Anthropology's Community Action website. The first thing you do is go in and reread the directions. A lot of times there's confusion right there, and so that's the first thing we want you to do. If that doesn't work, go in and look at the help solutions for 6 common problems in the browser. A lot of students have been through the same thing you have, and a lot of the problems that we've run into, with students have run into in the past, are addressed in that section. So go ahead and do that. Now, if that still doesn't work and you're still having a problem, go ahead and email the webmaster at publicanthropology.org. And with that, good luck in the project. I hope you enjoy it.